Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the unit settings on the Realme Link app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Realme Link app on your phone and then tap Me in the bottom right corner. Choose Settings from the options. Tap Unit Settings. Here you can change the app's length, weight and temperature units to your liking. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Link tips and tricks.